What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the issue where Battlefield 6 gets stuck on the loading screen. This has happened to me before, especially the first time I launched the game. The shaders were compiling and the game froze at a certain percentage. The first thing I tried was really simple. I pressed the Windows key, then switch back into the game. That's it. Just press the Windows key and return to the game. This refreshes the game window and usually lets the shader compilation continue. But if the game is completely frozen and you can't close it or get past the loading screen, here's what you should do. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape together. This will open Task Manager immediately. Once Task Manager appears, find Battlefield 6 in the list of processes. Right click it and choose End Task to force the game to close. You can also try a couple of quick shortcuts. For example, press Windows plus D to minimize the game or press Alt plus F4 to close it directly. After that, restart the game and it should load normally without getting stuck. And that's it. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.